Organizations are embracing digital transformation, but one critical factor is often overlooked: cybersecurity. Digital transformation has moved from a luxury to a necessity, reshaping industries and redefining how we work, communicate, and compete. But with great innovation comes great responsibility, and that responsibility lies in securing the digital frontiers that we're expanding into. Today, we will discuss the critical intersection of cybersecurity and digital transformation. At Yodeck, we believe cybersecurity isn't just important, it's an absolute necessity. Digital transformation is all about leveraging technology to improve processes, enhance customer experiences, and gain a competitive edge. However, as organizations embrace these advancements, they're also opening doors to new threats. Cybersecurity, therefore, isn't just an IT department issue. It's a foundational pillar for successful digital transformation. Let's explore why. First, consider the massive proliferation of data. Companies now collect, store, and process more data than ever before. From customer preferences to financial transactions, data fuels decision-making and innovation. But with this surge comes an equally significant rise in vulnerabilities. Data breaches, ransomware attacks, and insider threats can cripple businesses, erode customer trust, and lead to significant financial losses. In 2022, cybersecurity incidents cost businesses $4.35 million globally. An estimated 43% of cyber attacks target small businesses. The solution? An integrated approach where cybersecurity measures are engraved into every stage of digital transformation. Beyond direct financial losses, the impact on customer loyalty and marketing position can be devastating. Companies that fail to prioritize cybersecurity risk falling behind, not just because of potential breaches, but because customers and partners increasingly demand secure and reliable digital solutions. But it's not just about securing systems. Cybersecurity plays a critical role in regulatory compliance. Across industries, laws like GDPR and CCPA demand stringent data protection measures. Failure to comply doesn't just risk fines, it can severely damage your brand's reputation. Incorporating cybersecurity into digital transformation helps businesses stay ahead of these regulatory requirements, while safeguarding their brand's credibility. So how can businesses align cybersecurity with their digital transformation goals? It starts with a mindset shift. Cybersecurity should no longer be seen as a barrier or an afterthought. Instead, it must be embedded into the transformation process from the very beginning. Here are 3 key strategies to consider. Adopt a proactive security culture. Foster awareness across your organization. Cybersecurity isn't just the responsibility of the IT team. It's everyone's job. Regular trainings, simulated attacks, and clear communication are essential. Invest in scalable, cutting-edge technologies. As businesses grow and adopt new tools, cybersecurity measures must evolve. AI-driven threat detection, encryption, and endpoint protection solutions can provide the agility and resilience needed in today's fast-paced environment. Collaborate with trusted experts. Many organizations find value in partnering with managed security service providers. These experts bring specialized knowledge and 24/7 monitoring capabilities, helping to identify and mitigate risks in real time. At Yodeck, we get it. Businesses need more than just a good-looking digital screen. They need screens that they can trust. So we've designed a platform to focus not only on the ease of use, but top-notch security too. We ensure your digital signage is both user-friendly and safe. First, we have easy, secure remote management. With Yodeck, you can manage your digital signage screens from anywhere. And our remote management tools are built to keep your systems secure. Only authorized users can access and make changes. You're always in control of your screen content. Next, we have role-based access control. You can assign specific roles to each team member so they can access only the parts of the system you want them to. This means only certain chosen people can make updates on your screens. Now you'll avoid accidental changes or unauthorized access. And finally, Yodeck has reliable, protected content delivery. We've made sure that Yodeck delivers your content safely and securely. We have advanced encryption, meaning your data is always protected whilst traveling to your screens. We use bank-grade security encryption, and our software is always firewalled, even within your network. No one will ever be able to mess with your monitors. Cybersecurity and digital transformation. Together they form a robust framework for innovation, ensuring businesses can adapt and thrive without compromising security. When done right, cybersecurity doesn't just protect, it empowers. It builds trust with customers, enables compliances, and creates a secure foundation for future growth. As we continue to embrace the opportunities of digital transformations, let's not forget the critical importance of cybersecurity. By making it a priority, we're not just safeguarding our systems, we're safeguarding our futures. Start your safe and secure digital transformation today. Go to yodeck.com to get started for free.